Okay, YouTube. This happened yesterday. There's this Luxton Community Center thing I go to sometimes, and I was in my bathing suit, and it was like a fucking hot day because it's the summer now, whatever, right? And there's like this kiddie pool, whatever. And then so I was just sitting inside randomly, and then Uncle Funtime, I called my buddy Uncle Funtime, he's like about 20, and then he grabbed me magically and just like tried to drag me across the thing, but it had stairs, so I tried to put my foot there, but I couldn't. And I started screaming and wobbling, and I asked him to please, please, please put me down. I was like screaming like crazy, so he put me down. I went outside, I kept on walking, then he picked me up, and then I was like holding onto the pole, and then my flip flops came off. Then he was getting into the pool with me, and then he was like, "Take her down, take her down." I'm like, "Okay." And then he just like he was like head first or butt first. I'm like, but, cause that pool I heard that has lice, so I just did butt. Then he like dragged me into the pool. Then I got like really pissed off at him. It was so fucking funny, but I love my Uncle Funtime, and I had a blast. So, whoop whoop, and see ya, love ya. Peace. I'm out this bitch.